If you're a dental hygiene student who's struggling with nutrition, this video is for you. Today we're going to be talking about lipids. Fat, which is lipids, has a bad reputation. Too much of anything is bad, but fat is actually really important. So let's talk about what lipids actually do. It protects us from the cold, insulation, protects our internal organs, build every single membrane, all the cells, the phospholipid bilayer, provide major cell energy. It increases fullness by slowing down digestion. They help with the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. And it helps improve food texture and taste. Fat also provides essential fatty acids that your body can't make. Triglycerides. This is what makes up 95% of the fat that we eat and store, also known as adipose tissue. That's your body's largest energy reserve. Adipose tissue is basically your body's personal emergency fuel. They're made out of 1 glycerol backbone and 3 fatty acid chains. So each fatty acid basically differs by the length of a carbon chain and whether it has double bonds or not. Saturated fats, there's no double bonds. Solid at room temperature, mostly from animal fat, and linked to cardiovascular disease. Now unsaturated fats have 1 or more double bonds. Liquid at room temperature, and mostly plant-based oil. That's the one we want more of, unsaturated fats. Mono versus poly. Monosaturated is 1 double bond. Polyunsaturated, many double bonds. So these are included with MUFAs and PUFAs. Oxidation and hydrogenation. Unsaturated fats are more vulnerable to oxidation, which makes the oil go rancid. Saturated fats don't oxidize as easily, which is why companies use that more. Provides a longer shelf life. So when hydrogen is added to an unsaturated fat, it's called hydrogenation. That turns oil solid, but creates trans fats. And trans fats act just like saturated fats in the body. Increases that cardiovascular disease risk. Example of this would be peanut butter. Natural peanut butter separates, but processed peanut butter spreads. No mixin needed. Essential fatty acids. The big ones are omega-3 and omega-6. Omega-3s are found in flaxseed, walnut, soy, tuna, and salmon. They help reduce clot formation and lower cardiovascular risk. Omega-3s thin the blood. And that's why asking what kind of supplements they take are important before medical treatment if you're doing like scaling and replanning, you know? Medical history is important. Phospholipids. You're gonna hear this all the time. They build cell membranes. Sterols, like cholesterol, they are a ring-shaped lipid. Cholesterol is actually used to make vitamin D and sex hormones. Lipids travel through the blood as lipoproteins. Chylomicrons. HDL, LDL, that deserves its own video. So we'll go over that in the next one. I hope this helped and I'll see you in the next one. Have fun studying. Bye.